Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Measure the dry ingredients precisely. Use 2 cups cornmeal, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1 tsp salt so the crumb and rise are consistent. Prepare 1 cup of cooked sticky rice meant for ketupat. Cool it to room temperature before folding into batter. Replace half the usual liquid with 1/2 cup coconut milk for authentic flavor. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F, 190 degrees C, and grease a 9-inch pan to prevent sticking and encourage even browning. Combine the dry ingredients in a large bowl, whisk briefly to aerate, then create a shallow well for the wet ingredients so you avoid overworking the batter. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 large eggs with 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup melted butter, and 1/2 cup extra coconut milk until smooth. Pour the wet mix into the well and stir gently until just combined. Overmixing makes the cornbread tough. Fold in 1 cup cooled ketupat rice, spoon into the pan, and bake 25–30 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Allow the ketupat cornbread to rest on a cooling rack for 10 minutes so it firms up, then invert the pan and slice into wedges for serving. If you want the traditional ketupat look, press batter into clean woven palm leaf molds or use small 3.5-inch muffin tins to create individual rice packet shapes before baking. Serve warm with a smear of butter or sambal. Store leftovers in the refrigerator up to 3 days or freeze for 1 month. Reheat at 350 degrees F for 10 minutes to revive texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.